Well, this is a video to do with nothing really, but it is, of course, snakes. And Jesse made a mess. It's pouring rain. It is miserable. So I couldn't get him out to take him outside to actually go to the toilet. So sometimes no choice but to go in their enclosure. And I knew that he needed to go because I'd seen him there earlier. But for now, all I'm really doing is just letting Jess come out if he chooses to, which he will. He may not go the way that I particularly want him to go at this point, so I'm hoping he'll come back this way. But I'm pretty sure he's going to make his way over there because, again, my snakes know the area. They know places that they can go, which I don't want him to go. So I'll just sit him kind of down on me, which I can do. That's why it's wonderful to let your snakes free roam and give them an opportunity to explore and do whatever it is that they want to do. But you still have to sometimes say no, and it's okay to say no to your snakes. If you don't want them to go to a particular place, by all means just pick them up, remove them and put them somewhere where you are quite happy for them to go. So at this particular point, Jesse is still kind of making up his mind. The floor so far seems to be pretty good to Jesse. I'm sure that he would want to be up high, but he hasn't got the opportunity. I'm hoping he'll make his way to the actual snake tree and decide to climb up on there, which is, of course, a safe space for my snakes to explore. But it is a place where I don't have to be so vigilant with them, because I know where they are, I know that they're okay, and they can stretch out, they can do as they please. But this is also my time, where I can be with Jesse, you could say, or be around him, which that I do when I take him outside. He knows also that I'm actually there with him while he goes and explores and does things. So for now, he will utilise the playpen. Is a little bit big for this playpen. He's actually a little bit big for the other one, which is over in the other lounge room. But he can still go in there. By all means, I put him in there because it is also a safe space. So just a little short video of Jesse coming out because he's made a mess and I have to clean it up. Don't I, Jess? He says, well, you do, and I have to explore and find places to go. Yep, up the snake tree. That's a better idea, my friend. Hey. Yep. Up. They love to climb, and all snakes do. Now he's just trying to get a grip on things. Gets him using all those wonderful muscles that he actually has. Hey, dude. So, from me and Jesse, you take care. Give your snakes some room to move, I guess you could say. Let them out if they want to come out. Take care. Ciao.